Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I'm sure it's not relaxing to cook or bake when there are little kids around. They have to be supervised, making sure they don't get into trouble, they need attention, and so on. When I was a child, my mother loved making quick recipes for those reasons. Among them, there was a delicious dessert she made often. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Grand-Pères, which are maple dumplings. This is a traditional dessert from Quebec, served more so during the Sugar Shack season. In less than 30 minutes, your family can enjoy these amazing French-Canadian dumplings simmered in maple syrup. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll start by making the dough. In a large bowl, we'll add all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, then baking powder, and kosher salt. We'll whisk the ingredients together until very well blended before adding butter. We'll work it into the mixture until it resembles coarse sand. Now, there are a few ways of doing that. You can use a couple knives like my mother Nicole does. You can use a pastry cutter, or you can use the old method of rubbing it between your fingers, which is the one I prefer. So use the one you feel more comfortable with. Next, we'll add milk, a little at a time, and combine until the dough is evenly mixed. It won't be as smooth as when making dough for bread, okay? I'm telling you right now, do not use a whisk. A good wooden spoon does the job better. So when the dough comes together, we'll add some vanilla extract and stir well. By the way, don't worry if your dough is a little sticky. It's supposed to be that way. Alright, so let's make the sauce. In a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, we'll add butter, 2.5 cups of water, followed by brown sugar, then maple syrup. Just try to use a good quality one, okay? And finally, some vanilla extract. We'll stir the ingredients very well and bring the mixture to a simmer. When it gets there, by the tablespoon, we'll add the dough to the sauce. It doesn't have to be perfect, all right? After the dough is all in, here's a little tiny guy. We'll cover, reduce the heat to medium, and let it simmer for 14 minutes. Halfway through cooking, it's a good idea to quickly spoon the sauce over the dumplings. Oh my, it smells so good. All right, we'll let it keep simmering for the remaining time. When time is up, we'll end up with beautiful puffy maple dumplings. Look how beautiful they are. To serve, we'll scoop up a hot dumpling into a serving bowl and spoon the sauce over. It's incredibly delicious with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And my friends, these are our Grand-Pères. When you need a quick and easy dessert to serve, this is the recipe. These maple dumplings are so flavorful. It's nothing fancy, but let me say that this Quebecois dessert will certainly become a family favorite. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!